Welcome to Zephyr for Jira Cloud. In this tutorial, we'll get an introduction to mapping Zephyr for Jira test case issues to other issues in Jira. In Jira, issues can be mapped to other types of issues, which essentially links two issues together to allow users to keep track of what issues are related to each other, or, for example, if an issue is blocking another issue. Mapping two different issues is important as it lets users have a way to know how the initial issue in one way or another affects another issue. Within our test cases, we are able to link our test cases to our user stories, test executions, or bugs to ensure that there's mapping and traceability between issues. Test case issues can easily be linked to other issues utilizing the plus button, which displays the linking screen. We can search for the user story, bug, or other issue type to link to the test case by searching for text in the summary or issue ID. After choosing our issue, we can click the link button, and once this is done, the link is created, and we can see that our test case is now mapped to the other issue. Zephyr for Jira test case issues can be mapped to any other issue type similar to mapping a normal issue to other issues. This is normally done by using the Linked Issues section of the issue. Mapping Zephyr for Jira test case issues to other issues, such as user stories, is important as it provides context as to how this test case relates to user stories and requirements. Users will be able to see how the test case will be tested against and a specific user story and requirement to ensure that it will all flow correctly. This ends our tutorial for mapping Zephyr test case issues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our final tutorial to learn how to search for our Zephyr test case issues.